Hey guys, Anatoly from Define Agile here, and today I'm going to show you a very quick tip that will be useful for you. It's not very intuitive to find it, so I want to spend some time to show you how to do it. How do you delete a board? I have a video how to delete a project, but some of you might know that you can have multiple boards in one project. And when you do sometimes make mistakes, and you just want to delete the board and have only one board, or you create a board by mistake and you want to have. So how would you do that? If you look at board settings and stuff like that, you won't find the delete button here. So how would you do that? You need to go to a board list. Then there is this button called View All. You click on View All. You get a list of boards. So let's say I want to delete a design board. So I click on three dots and then I click on delete. Also, you can see you can copy the board like this, or you can move the board to a different project. So you can do a bunch of things with this, but we want to do delete. And then deleting board doesn't affect the issues on the board. So it's very important. So your issues won't be deleted because board is just a filter of issues. So your issues will stay okay. Don't worry about that. But your board will be deleted. So we click delete and your board disappears. So now if I go to this project, well, I have only one board for this project. And this is an easy way how to delete a board. If you find those videos useful, please like them, put comments. If you have any questions, subscribe to this channel because I do it for you and I hope you appreciate it. So subscribing really helps me. And please, if you need help with Jira, if you're struggling, let's schedule free consultation. Go to defineagile.com. and let's talk how it can help your business. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.